Okay, number 1 is factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. So, ito yung solution natin. So, nagagawa muna tayo ng, ayan, open and close parenthesis, dalawa. Kasi ang resulting factor nito is dalawa. Dalawang binomial. Step 1, factor the first term. So, ang first term natin dito is x squared. If we factor x squared, that is x times x. Okay, so ilalagay na natin agad doon sa first term natin ng binomial. Okay, so ito yung step number 2. Factor the last term. So, ang last term natin dito ay 6. Okay, whose sum is 5, which is yung 5, yung middle term. Okay, kailangan pag pinactor natin yung 6, ang sum ng factor niya ay yung middle term. Okay, factor 6, 1 times 6 equals positive 6. Negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. Okay, so another factor ng 6 is 2 times 3 equals 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. And the next step is add natin yung factor na nakuha. So, 1 plus 6 equals 7. Negative 1 plus negatives is negative 7. 2 plus 3 equals positive 5. Then, negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Okay, so since ang hinahanap natin is yung factor na may sum na positive 5, so that is 2 and 3, which is ang sum is 5. So, yun yung gagamitin natin as factor. Right? Positive 2 and positive 3. So, therefore, the factor is, the factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, and then next, i-check natin na kung yung factor natin ay tama. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin, i-multiply natin yung dalawang factor. Yung x plus 2 at saka x plus 3. Okay, unahin natin yung first term, x times x equals x square. Okay, which is ang first term natin ay x square, which is correct. Next, for the last term, 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, so tama yung last term natin na 6. Okay, how about the middle term? Check natin ang middle term. 2 times x equals 2x. X times 3 equals 3x. And then, i-add natin. 2x plus 3x equals 5x. X square plus 5x plus 6. Yung middle term natin, which is ang nakuha natin sa checking is 5x, which is pareho doon sa given trinomial natin na 5x sa middle term.